Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this effect in the swimming pool. Like this lighting effect. Okay. So first make sure you got a hole then you can put water. So make sure you plug all the lighting first. So the lighting I will set as standardized. This one I will likely put more this one increase the watt a bit. Okay, because quite bright inside. Okay, but if you forget increase it, never mind also guys, never mind also, because it will you can adjust in another way. Okay, so I'll just show you. Okay, now we drag the water first. Where's my water? This one. Okay, rectangle. Okay, so we just control and put it first. Okay, this is the water. So the water we put until here one. This one we put until here. Okay, so make sure your water have cover the area. Okay, if not cover, then just change the size This one is just a model. Okay, press C can change the size. Okay, then after that this one also C, change the size. Okay, press Z, move it down. Okay, so you may need to move it, control move it down. Okay, so you may need to move it until the light to show that got light effect. Okay, so we may need to move it until here. Okay, until here. You can see the light effect on the water. Okay, then we drag another one. We control shift copy another one. So we have two layers. Okay, this layer I will be playing the water. Okay, so the effect I will use this one C. Okay, select C. You can see when I move this one up a bit, control Z. Okay, control when I move this one up, you see the water. Okay, got a bit pattern here. Water here, this one we move up. Okay, so coming up we're going for this one, render. Okay, so I'll click this one. Okay, for render we will choose this one or choose RT lighting, because we need to adjust the effect also. Okay, so choose RT lighting, then we come to night view please choose your night view. So for me I'll choose a city one. Okay, city night view. After everything you choose, then you click here, render. Okay, just give it a moment. Later we will adjust the lighting in here. Okay, we will adjust the lighting in here. Okay guys, time's up. So we click on edit here. Okay, we can edit the lighting effect here. So okay, something like this. This one very bright, right? Okay, so I'll move it here, then I can refer. Okay, so this one up to you guys, but I think I put more of it. Also can see it strong, the water effect. Okay, the exterior light I think no need too bright. Okay, something like this. Okay, should be fine. This one cell you mean okay, white color, no need white color. Okay, as long as like this is okay. Ambience light, this one is important. So you can see overall the dark and bright, right? You can adjust it. But this one is the fill light. This one is this. Okay, so we can adjust it. Adjust it. Then this one make it darker a bit. Adjust it. So you can have the effect. Okay. So if you want add light here, guys, if you want to add light in the middle, okay, you can do that. If you think middle is too dark, you can add light also. So you can come to here first. Okay, this one here, then you add the lighting. Just come to this one, custom. Okay, go drag this one, fill board. Just this one, fill board. Okay, select it, then move it down. Okay, move it down. Then this one you can extend it lah, or extend it so to make you see clear at the pool lah, or at the pool. Okay. So later I will darken the pool also. Okay. So I'll put here. Okay. Then go to this one. You can adjust. So we just drag it down only. Okay. Remember this one a bit different. You don't. We just shine in the here lah. So the area will be look bright like something like this. Okay. So this one I'll put here. Adjust it a bit. I'll put here. If you think not bright enough lah, then you can use this one. Okay. So click on this one. You can adjust the lighting a bit. So I put like 30. Okay, 30. Okay, exit, click back here. Okay, so here we'll try the light again, but we use back this one, or this one, RT lighting, render. Okay, then we can adjust later. Come back here, RT lighting, wait a few moments. Okay, time's up, so we click edit. Okay, let's see the see here now got lighting already. So this one you can adjust also. This one you can adjust also. Okay, I think we'll adjust this one a bit dark, a bit. This one luminous. So we come back here and be like a bit dark lah, prefer. Okay, prefer more dark. So you can see the water effect. Okay. Yeah, and this one you can adjust. But not need too bright. Let's see what the effect. This one feel like it's the middle one, so you can adjust it also. So you can adjust up to your one. Okay. So that's all for the lighting adjust. After you okay, then you click render. Or then you can choose the picture you want. Okay. Okay, after it render, you may come to here lah, render. Then you see the picture. Okay. So you know lah, almost like this lah. The middle one up to you. If you want to put, you can put lah. If you don't want to put, also okay. So this is how you adjust the lighting. Okay, by using the RT light. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.